Okay, here comes the second part of today's session. Exciting. This time on a plate we have EMOM workout. To be honest, precisely this one is one of my favorites. I personally have done it many times. Very simple, same time, very effective. We have 5 exercises, you should know all of them by now. You start with 10 jumping jacks, then 8 high knees, 4 on each leg, 6 burpees, or in this case we're gonna do half burpees, 4 push-ups and 2 squat jumps with tuck. Just to remind you that EMOM stands for every minute on minute, so you work on time and you have a minute to complete the whole task. The time that is left after you complete the task till the end of the minute, this is your time for rest. Which means if you need 30 seconds to complete the whole task, you will have 30 seconds to rest before you start the next round. If you need 40 seconds, it means you will have 20 seconds for rest before you have to start the next round. So we start with jumping jacks. We will need 10 of these. Try and test it before you start the actual workout. After jumping jacks we go to high knees. We need 8, so it's 4 on each side. After high knees we do burpees, or in this case we're gonna do half burpees. So we don't go all the way to the floor and we don't jump, we just simply send our feet back and bring them forward. 6 burpees. After that we do 4 push-ups, or if you do any kind of alternative like knee push-ups, that's fine, you can stick to it. After 4 push-ups we do squat jump with a tuck. So this is where we do a dip squat and with a jump we bring our knees up, or at least try to do so. Now let's see how the actual workout looks like. We start with 10 jumping jacks. Remember, you need to do it really fast. 8 high knees, 6 burpees. Well, I do jump here just because jumping makes me doing it faster. 4 push-ups. 2 squat jump with a tuck. And now rest till the end of the minute. In my case, it's about 35 to 40 seconds. The tip, guys, try to fit everything into 35 seconds max. Otherwise you won't have enough time to recover and you won't last for 12 rounds. If you don't fit, you can adjust numbers and cut repetitions from some exercises. I would recommend to start cutting from burpees because they normally take the longest. Also use breathing techniques to recover your breath. Walk around the room, just don't collapse on the floor because this is the worst way to recover your breath. Also practice these moves a couple of times before the workout so your brain can get used to it. And have fun!